CEO extraordinaire in the building.
Push down to the floor. Next place to go is up. Really? The first one. Watch all the message. Yes.
Good morning, welcome to this week's vlog. I literally just came back from a 10k walk and I'm covered in sweat. I'm feeling a bit of strain on my toe. Deep stretch. Some milk. Doctor. Hold on, sir. How do you walk in? Thank you. So this package just came in right now. It's from Mega Growth. So I recently just started working with Mega Growth, I think early this year, and our partnership together has been amazing. the big one. Yay! It's zero, you go. There you go. Yeah. Like on notes. Waiting for you. Love you. Oh, my love. Guys, good morning. Just came back from my 10K walk. Guys, so I'm heading to the lab to get my last treatment. Yesterday was supposed to be the last day, but I completely forgot. I was occupied with other things, but I'm here now, so let's go do that. Morning. Sorry, I didn't come yesterday. You still come? Yeah. So I want to unbox some product with you guys. In case you didn't know, I'm a lash and brow artist, and most recently I started learning to draw tattoos. So I decided to order this stool. Is it an arm stool? An armrest rather. I also got some pigments. Okay. I'm so happy. I'm creating UGC content for brands right now, especially Mega Growth that I have used for so long. I can't believe that I get to work with them, you guys. It's so unreal. I was sent this deep conditioner, this Mega Growth Living Strengthener. I'm so excited for it. I love how their expiration dates are, written underneath so that you can see when it will expire and when it was produced. This is the relaxer kit that they sent to me. Ooh, guys. Now that is beautiful. So thank you guys so much. And if you're a brand that you'd like to work with me, be it hair brand, be it fashion, be it perfume, be it body cream, body lotion, please send me a DM via send me an email. My email details will be in the description box. I love to work with you. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye. Madam CEO Extraordinaire in the building. Like, this is my favorite style of styling it. But then you can hold it as well, and you can now wear it like this. Like I just like this. Nice. Yeah. This is our photographer on my visuals. Just like we have the camera. And we have and it can also be styled short. Oh, I like the label. Yeah, let me get some stuff. Comes out. Same thing. The counterpart is this one as well. This is the back. So oh, I like this one. Yeah, but then you can also fold it and you have that as well. Then, oh, this is so cute. Then we have this. This is the multicolor of this. Right. It's so nice. They're really cute. Logo because it's already a lot, and we don't want our clients are people that they want to show. Yeah, right? Yeah. But they also don't want to like out there. Yes. Gotcha. Yeah. It's really big because Nigeria is hot. Yeah. Even though I'm the CEO and I want to buy everything. Yeah. Like if this is for hot weather. Let me see the bag. It's pretty. When it comes in, and this is the. I like it actually. Should I wear anything must be of your time. Anybody come close, man, that's your